30. Shapes. We see many things in different shapes. Some of them are given below. A. Match the names with the shapes as in the example. Example: rectangle. C. 1. Triangle. B. 2. Circle. E. 3. Cuboid. I. 4. Square. A. 5. Cube. H. 6. Cylinder. D. 7. Cone. K. 8. Semicircle. J. 9. Oval. F. 10. Diamond. G. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Bangles are in the shape of circle. 2. A milk can is in the shape of a cylinder. 3. A kite is in diamond shape. 4. There are 10 circles in this picture.